Tes 1, 2, 3. Suara Kamil kedengaran jelas nggak?
Kedengeran.
Oke. Soalnya ini I try to use Bluetooth earphone like this. So have to make sure that it works. On the other hand, jadi uh, di tempat kami itu sebelahnya lagi ada perbaikan rumah. Lagi ada kayak tukang yang like hammering something. Can you hear them? Suaranya nyampe ke sana nggak? Yang kayak suara batuan-batuan.
Uh,
Ada kayak apa namanya? Someone who is hammering.
Enggak.
Nggak kedengeran ya? Oke, jadi aman. Oke, halo, assalamualaikum, Hasna, Amira, sorry, for halo, assalamualaikum Amira.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke. Oh ya, Amira, gimana? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. I'm great. Thank you for asking. And oh yeah, I forgot to ask Furkan as well. How are you doing? How are you doing, Furkan?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Okay. A little bit information before we start our class that Ethan will be coming late because he is currently in barbershop. Do you know barbershop?
Yes.
What is it? Can you explain it a little bit?
To cut the hair if it's already really long.
Have you ever been? Have you ever been to? Sorry. Have you ever been to a barbershop?
Of course.
Someone who is in your family, or you go to the barbershop as well? Oh, Amira suddenly left. Maybe her connection is having a trouble. So while waiting for Amira, I will share my screen. Okay, this is what we are going to learn today. Terus jadi kemarin itu our last meeting, which is a week before, itu kita cuma review aja, because Furqan was not able to join in, and then Amira also have some activities outside of her class, I guess. So basically, Amira has had activities as well. And then I want to know why did Furqan didn't join the class last week? Is there any activities or yeah?
Pas itu di rumah nenek kemarin.
Oh, I see. So you were in your grandma's house.
Yes.
Okay. Mana nih Amira? Sembari menunggu Amira, maybe I will remind you that you always can bring your drink and then your snacks. Dan sebelum kita mulai, let's pray together as a Muslim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Raditu
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
billahi rabbil wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin warzuqni fahmah.
Mana ini Amir? Mungkin sebelum masuk kita review the last materi. Jadi kita masih ingat nggak Furqan, last week kita learning apa? Sorry, 2 weeks ago. I will give you a
Consonant blend with S.
Yes, correct. Consonant blend with S. So there are some consonants blend with S that we have learned last 2 weeks and a week before for the review. And these are the examples. Snow, snail, spoon, sponge. Yang ini kemarin udah belum? Story, stairs.
Sudah.
Udah ya? Stella has a house. Okay. So these are the consonant blends with S. Can you give me maybe 3 examples of words that use consonant blend with S?
How much?
3 words. 3 words.
Scar.
Car. Okay.
Snow.
No. Okay. Good.
Sama slow.
No. Okay. So these are the consonant blends with S. And then if you have to make that words into a sentence, what would it be? For example, the first one, scar. Can you make it into a sentence? Scar. Or maybe you can start with something that you know, or snow, or anything.
Snow it's really cold.
Okay, snow is really cold. Okay, good. And then what was the last word that you said after snow?
Is.
Sorry?
Is.
So sorry, bukan the word of in the sentence, but the word with consonant blends with S. kan tadi yang pertama you have scar, right? And then the second is no. And then the last one. Do you still remember or
The car is really slow.
the car? Oh yeah, slow, yeah. The car is really slow. Okay, good. Okay, Amira. So we are reviewing about our last materials that we have learned, and then those are that is consonant blends with S. And then can you give me 3 examples of words that use consonant blends with S? Have you say something or not yet? Sorry, you are still muted.
Scooter.
Scooter. Okay, good. And then
Slow.
sorry,
Slow.
slow. Okay. Oh ya, sorry. Tadi slow udah disebutin sama Furqan.
Scan.
Slow. Can you give me other example? Jadi yang pertama tadi scooter. Sorry.
Yellow.
Sorry. Can you repeat once again? Did you say scoop?
Scallop.
What is it in bahasa Indonesia?
Itu kayak terang gitu.
Terang. Oh. Can you spell it using phonics? Oh yeah, maybe kalau misalnya if you still don't understand misalnya the instruction, you can say sorry, I don't understand your instruction gitu ya. Good. Oh, shell. Okay, good. Very good. And then the last one. You have that scooter, and then shell, and then the last one.
Scoop.
Oh, okay. Can you spell the phonics? Okay, good. Can you make a sentence using one of those 3 words? Salah satu dari 3 kata tersebut.
The shell is lived in the the shell is lived in the sea.
In the sea. Okay, good. BTW, BTW ngomongin apa namanya susunan katanya bisa yang lebih cepat bisa the shell lives in the sea. Jadi nggak usah pakai is ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you repeat once again?
The shell lives in the sea.
Okay, very good. Good job. Nah, so that is what we have learned last week. And then we are going to go to this one, which is about conversation and reading. Bentar, ini sepertinya, oh Igen udah masuk. Oke. Hai Igen, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Oke. Cek. How are you today?
I'm good.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, good. I heard that you just got a new haircut, and then this is how you look. Furkan, do you think Igen looks cool?
Yes.
Or
Yes, it looks cool.
oh, how about the cuteness? Do you think he is cute?
Little bit.
A little bit, okay. Nah, Igen, jadi kita baru aja tadi review tentang our last pertemuan, our last meeting, which is about consonant blends with S. Nah, kita baru aja masuk di this today's material, which is about conversation and reading yang berhubungan sama konsonan blends with S. Nah, di sini bakal ada 4 atau 3 cerita yang bakal kita baca, and then we will analyze it. Okay. Wait, I will clear all the drawings. Okay, this is the first reading. In this reading, I will read first, and then the other one will repeat after me. Okay, maybe nanti yang mau repeat siapa dulu, kemudian and then the next one is going to someone else, and then until the last one. Okay, I will read first. Smitty is a small deer. He likes the smell of clean air. And then the second sentence is, he doesn't like smoke. He doesn't like smoke. And then he doesn't like smoke. Okay. Who is going to read after me? The first one. Okay, Amira, please.
Smithy is a small bear. He likes the smell of clean air.
Okay, good. And then this one.
Does like smoke. He doesn't like smoke.
Okay. Kalau yang smoke yang di sini pronunciation-nya udah okay. And then this one is pronounced Smoke.
Smoke.
Okay, just like in when you how do you how is the what is the phonics of this word? This word phonicsnya gimana?
Smoke. Smoke.
Okay, the phonics of this word this sentence this letter.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Right? Yes. Oh. Now, the pronunciation is almost the same. So smoke gitu. Gimana?
Smoke.
Okay. Okay. The next one, who is going to read this? Okay, Furqan, please.
Smithy is a small bear. He likes the smell of clean air.
Okay, good.
He doesn't like smoke. He doesn't like smoke.
Okay. Kalau yang ini smoke, gimana? Kalau
Smoke.
yang yes with K is smoke, and then this one is smoke. Gimana?
Smoke.
Smoke. Jadi kayak agak ke A gitu. So
Smoke.
I will do the example pronunciations, and let's see whether you can hear this. Bisa kedengeran nggak ya? Ini aku play ya. 1, 2, 3.
Smog.
Gimana?
Kedengeran. Kedengeran.
Kedengeran
Smog.
ya?
Ya, kedengeran.
Smog.
Jadi gitu. Okay, good. Igen, please read the sentence and then, yeah, just read it.
Smithy is a small bear. He likes the smell of clean air.
Okay. And then
He
this one.
doesn't like smoke. He doesn't like smoke.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Oke, di sini mungkin ada yang bisa menjelaskan kalimat pertama ini maksudnya in bahasa Indonesia apa? Who is going to explain this? Okay, Furqan, please.
Smithy adalah beruang kecil. Dia suka bau dari angin segar.
Okay. Atau angin yang bersih juga ya. Okay. And then siapa yang mau menjelaskan tentang this second sentence? Maybe Amirah or Igen. Igen, do you want to explain this one? Kalau misalnya ada apa namanya vocabulary that you still don't understand, that is also okay. You can say, okay, I can explain this one, but I cannot explain this this word. Oke. Siapa yang mau nyoba? Wait. Okay, again, please. Sorry, kamu masih mute.
Dia tidak suka asap.
Oke.
Dia tidak suka merokok. Dia tidak suka asap rokok.
Oke. And then?
Dan dia tidak suka asap kabut.
Oke, good. Nah, kalau di sini konteksnya adalah smoke, yes, correct, benar banget bisa rokok. Tapi kalau di sini kayaknya konteksnya itu lebih ke asap. hasil pembakaran kayak gitu-gitu ya. Kalau smoke di sini.
Yeah.
Or maybe Furqan having any other idea? Or do you agree?
I agree. I agree. I agree.
Sorry, cek. Oke. Sorry tadi internetnya keputus. I
Okay.
will help again. Okay. Have I been able to be a host? Nasrifun is hosting. Okay, good. And then I will check whether we have been recording this. Okay, we have recording this. Okay. Ikan, can you? Okay, I was asking about Furqan's opinion about this word, which is smoke. Do you agree with my opinion that this is a smoke, which is coming from hasil pembakaran or something like that? Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. Jadi it is not limited to smoke from cigarette ya, gitu. Okay, and then can you please explain the next sentence? This one. Do you know how to explain it? Or maybe if you still not been able to explain, then you can say it. Do you have any idea about that? Ikan? Or maybe Amira, can you explain the second sentence on this reading? He doesn't like.
Dia tidak suka asap. Dia tidak suka asap.
Yes.
Dia tidak suka dia tidak suka asap dan dia tidak suka asap.
Okay. Maybe if you are still You can say, I'm not sure about the second sentence. Kayak gitu ya. Gimana? Can you say it? I'm not really sure with the second sentence. Kayak gitu. Gimana?
I'm not really sure for second sentence.
Okay, good. How about Furqan? Do you have any idea what smoke is?
Nope.
No. Ikan, have you discovered about the meaning of smoke?
No.
No. Okay. So I will explain. Smoke is just like a fog. Do you know fog? Fog? Sorry, fog.
Oh, kabut.
Yeah. It's just like kabut. Tapi the difference between smoke and kabut or fog is that kabut is a natural phenomena. It is a natural. It is coming from nature. While smoke is combination between fog and something coming from pollution. You know, for example, kayak misalnya polusi dari pembakaran atau polusi dari asap kendaraan atau polusi dari asap misalnya kayak dari pabrik. Nah, and then when they are combining, jadi fog sama pollution itu combining together and they are in the air. Nah, it is called as smoke. Can you get it? Do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Ikan, can you understand it?
Yes.
The difference between fog and smoke.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe Ikan wants to explain in bahasa Indonesia or maybe in English. It will be really quick. The difference between smoke and fog. Perbedaan gimana?
Kenapa?
Perbedaan, the difference between smoke and fog.
Smoke and fog.
Yes.
Smoke and fog.
Misalnya di explain in bahasa Indonesia juga boleh. If you can explain it in English juga boleh banget. It's better. Maybe misalnya nih ya, misalnya Igel masih belum paham yang bagian fog atau bagian smoke-nya tadi. You can ask misalnya gini. About fog or I still can understand about smoke. Itu juga bisa. Tapi kalau misalnya udah understand, you can understand it well, you can directly explain it. Okay, please.
Fog is fog is caused by water droplets.
Okay, good. So it's coming from nature. And then how about smoke?
Whereas smoke includes smoke and particulate matter.
Okay, good. Very good explanation. Jadi I will repeat once again that smoke is combination between fog and smoke actually ya. Jadi combination between smoke ini sama fog. Fog is coming from nature, and then smoke is coming from the impact of human pollution or pollution that is made by human. Okay, very good. Okay, this is the first question. Siapa yang mau membaca kemudian menjawabnya? Okay, Furqan, good. Furqan, sorry. Can when you raise your hand like this, can you raise your hand like this again so that I can take a picture? Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Wait a minute, and then I will save the picture. Okay, thank you.
Does the bear does the bear like smoke and smoke?
Okay, good. That is the question, and then the answer is
No, the bear doesn't like smoke and smoke.
okay. Let's see whether your answer is correct. No, the bear doesn't like smoke and smoke. Or bisa juga jadi he di sini ini merujuk ke the bear. Okay, that is good question. Good articulation and also good answer. Okay, the next reading. This one. Who is volunteering to be the first one who will be reading this? Siapa yang okay, silakan. Tadi siapa duluan? Igen duluan ya?
Iya, Igen duluan.
Oh, Igen. Okay. Igen is the first and then Amirah the second ya? Okay. Good.
Smith is a smart student. He likes to go to school and learn.
Okay. Smith is a smart student. He likes to go to school and learn. Okay. The next, please, Igen.
The teacher always gives him a star when he gets a good score.
Okay. The teacher always gives him. Jadi S-nya jangan lupa dibaca. Nah ini. Okay, coba once again.
The teacher always gives him a star when he gets a good score.
Okay. Okay. Nah, please boleh ke kamar mandi dulu. The teacher always gives him a star when he got a good score. Okay, very good. Okay, Furqan, karena ini Amirah lagi ke kamar mandi, Furqan can read this sentence.
Smith is a smart student. He likes to go to school and learn.
Okay, very good.
The teacher always gives him a star when he get a good score.
Okay, very good. Oh ya, di sini ada kesalahan dikit ya. There should be S in gets. Jadi di sini harusnya ada S-nya. Gitu. Okay, very good. Di sini mungkin yang di sentence pertama, 2 sentence in this page, you should identify the consonant blends with S. Siapa yang mau identify consonant blends with S in this page? Okay, Igen, can you do that again? when you raise your hand, and then I will take a picture of that. Okay. Thank you. I will take a picture first and then save it to my laptop, and then you can raise your hand down. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, please. Masih mute, Igen.
Smith,
Mute. Okay. And then
smart,
more. And then
student,
okay. And then
school,
cool. Okay. So how many consonant blends with S that you found?
4
Jawabannya,
consonant.
jawabnya harus full sentence ya.
Yeah.
I found
I found 4 consonant blend with S.
Okay, they are.
They are 4.
Okay, they. Okay, you can also mention the consonant blends with S. The words. The first is Smith. The second is smart. The third is students, and the fourth is school. Okay, please.
Make a sentence.
Sorry.
Make a sentence.
Enggak. Tadi kan jadi yang pertama kamu mengucapkan bahwa I found 4 consonant blends with S in this sentence. Nah, kemudian dijelaskan the consonant blends with S are first apa, second apa, third apa, fourth apa. Okay, please.
The first is Smith, and the second is smart. The third is student,
Okay.
and the last 4 is a school.
Okay. Ya, itu third ya, third. Jadi tulisannya kayak gini. Third. Third. Gimana, Igen?
Third.
Third, okay. And then kalau keempat, four. Okay. Fourth itu pakai you apa enggak ya? Atau fourth ini? Turfan, do you know?
Ini Kak.
Atau pakai you, fourth? Ya, oke. Coba Furqan gimana? Because I forgot the... Okay. So, gitu ya. Fourth. Okay. Gimana? Fourth.
Fourth.
Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. Excellent. Again, thank you. And then this one, Amira, please read this sentence, and then I will ask you questions. Okay, please. Sorry, masih mute. Masih mute.
The teacher always give him a star when he get a good score.
Okay. The teacher always gives him a star when he gets a good score. Okay, I will ask Amira, how many consonant blends with S do you find in this sentence?
I find two consonant blend with S in the sentence.
Hey, very good. Jadi jawabannya udah keren banget karena itu full sentence. Oke, tepuk tangan dulu. Oke, lanjut. Selanjutnya adalah what are they? Apa aja itu? What are they?
First in word star
Okay.
and second in word score.
Okay, very good. The first is star, and then the second is score. Okay, very good. So the question is, who is going to read this question and then answer the question as well? Okay, Furqan lagi, please read this question and then answer.
What does the teacher give to Smith?
Okay. What does the teacher give to Smith?
The teacher gives a star.
The teacher gives a star. Okay, very good. Mau aku remind lagi bahwa di sini give-nya nggak pakai S. Karena S-nya udah diambil di sini nih. Gitu, oke? Okay?
Oh, oke.
Tapi kalau dia sebuah kalimat positif. Oke. Kita lihat apakah jawabannya correct. The teacher gives a star. Very good. Okay. So the first story is about Smithy. The second story is about Smith. And then we have the third story. It's about Stella. Who is going to read? Okay, Egan, please. Yes, Egan.
Stella and her dad go to a store to buy a scooter.
Okay, Stella and her dad go to a store to buy a scooter. Okay. Mana tadi? Guys, tadi mana? Okay. Stella and her dad go to a store to buy a scooter. Who is the second one who will read this? Amira? Silakan, maybe. Yeah.
Stella and her dad go to a store buy a scooter.
Okay, good. And then Furqan, please.
Stella and her dad go to a store to buy a scooter.
Okay, very good. Ini adalah rapid question. Sorry, ini adalah cepat-cepatan menjawab ya. How many consonant blends with S you find in this sentence? Okay, siapa yang? Okay, Egan duluan.
I found 3 consonant blend with S.
Okay, good. What are they?
The first is Stella.
Okay, good.
The second is store.
Okay, good.
And the
Third.
Third
Third,
Yes.
gimana?
third
Ya,
scooter.
scooter. Okay, good. Okay, maybe bisa diulang lagi. Third, gimana?
Third
Third, okay. First, second, third. Coba gimana?
first, second, third.
Okay. First, second, third, fourth. Gimana?
First, second, third, fourth. Fourth.
Fourth, fourth,
Fourth.
fourth, fourth.
Fourth.
Okay. Amirah maybe bisa mengulangi lagi first, second, third, fourth.
First, second, third, fourth.
Okay, good. Fourth, ya, fourth. Jadi bukan four, tapi fourth. Gimana?
Fourth.
Fourth,
Fourth.
fourth. Kayak pak, kayak pak.
Fourth.
Ya, fourth, fourth.
Fourth. Fourth.
Furkan mungkin bisa mencobakan. First, second, third, fourth.
First, second, third, fourth.
Okay, fourth. Okay, good. Okay, the question is, this is the question. Who is going to read this question? Maybe not Furkan because Furkan has already apa namanya membaca dua. Okay, this is for Igen or Amira. Okay, Igen, please.
Where do Stella and her dad go?
Okay, where do Stella and her dad go? And your answer is?
Stella and her dad go is buy a scooter.
By scooter in okay, good. Mungkin bisa diartikan artinya yang ini apa? Ijen.
Di mana Stella dan ayahnya pergi?
Di mana Stella dan ayahnya pergi. Berarti dia nanyain tempat atau nanyain apa yang dilakukan.
Stella and her dad go to store.
Okay, Stella and her dad go to store. Okay, good. We'll play this. Let's see whether Stella and her dad go to a store. Okay, good. Jadi gitu ya. Dalam membaca kita harus hati-hati nih. Harus hati-hati banget. Dia itu yang nanyainnya apa gitu. Di sini kan tadi ada bacaan. Stella and her dad go to store to buy a scooter. Nah, terus di sini ada pertanyaan, where do Stella and her dad go? Ini kan berarti dia menanyakan tentang tempatnya nih, bukan apa yang dia beli. Dia nanyain tempatnya. Makanya jawaban yang paling tepat adalah benar yang tadi udah dikatakan itu, yaitu store. Jadi pergi ke toko gitu. Okay. So that is the third story, which is about Stella. And this is still about Stella, I guess. Do you think it is Stella or other person?
Stella.
Stella ya. Soalnya dia memiliki karakteristik tubuh dan wajah yang sama dan dia memiliki the same scooter and also yeah, she has a scooter. Okay. Siapa yang mau membaca duluan? Ini untuk semuanya opsinya. Oke, Amirah, please.
He rides the scooter to get a scoop of ice cream in a ice cream shop.
Okay, good. She rides the scooter to get a scoop of ice cream in an ice cream shop. And then this is the second sentence. Please.
The seller gives her a spoon to scoop her ice cream.
Siapa yang kedua, the second one who is going to read this? Okay, Igan, please.
Kak izin ke toilet.
Oh, izin ke toilet. Okay. This means okay. Furkan, please.
She rides the scooter to get a scoop of ice cream in an ice cream shop.
Okay. She rides the scooter to get a scoop of ice cream in an ice cream shop. Okay, the second sentence.
The seller gives her a spoon to scoop her ice cream.
Okay, good. This is the question. Ini questionnya. Dari cerita yang pertama, ini sampai ke sini, how many character? Jadi ini pertanyaannya di luar dari pembahasan tentang konsonan branchivitas ya. How many character do you find in this story? Mulai dari sini. Oke, Amira.
I
Please.
find 4 characters in the story.
Okay. Who are they?
Story. Bear, Smith, Stella, and Dad.
Okay. Sorry, maybe my question is not really clear ya. Jadi story-nya yang mulai yang sini nih, mulai story-nya Stella. Mulai story-nya Stella. Jadi mulai dari dia beli scooter, and then menggunakan scooternya beli ice cream. Nah itu how many character?
3
Oke. Siapa aja?
character.
Ya.
Dad, Stella, and Stella.
Dad, Stella, and Stella.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe you did raise your hand, and then maybe you have the same answer or other ideas about that. Jadi di cerita yang mulai ini, Stella and her dad go to buy a scooter, and then he rides scooter to get a scoop of ice cream, and then the seller gives her a spoon. Nah itu di 3 part ini, how many character that you find? Karakter yang ditemukan ada berapa? Do you have the answer or no? Furkan?
3.
3. Who are they?
Stella's dad, and the ice cream seller.
The ice cream seller. Oke. Jadi dalam ceritanya itu ada 3 karakter. Benar kata Amirah juga 3 karakter. Nah, tapi karakter yang tepat adalah Stella's dad, sama the seller ya. Jadi ayahnya sama penjual es krim. Okay, the next question is, what does the seller give to her? What does the seller give to her? Okay, siapa yang mau membaca questionnya? Okay, Igan, please.
What does the seller give to her?
Okay, and the answer is
The seller gives a spoon for a scoop ice cream.
okay. Can you repeat once again?
The seller gives a spoon for to scoop her ice cream.
Oh, okay, good. Jadi coba kita baca. The seller give her a spoon. What does the seller give to her? Spoon. The seller gives her a spoon. Jadi yang ditanyakan itu adalah apa yang dikasihkan seller ke si Stella. Jadi yang dikasihkan adalah spoon. Jadi ininya nggak perlu dijelaskan, nggak apa-apa. Gitu. Okay, very good. And then because we have already reached our end of class, we will read this passage bentar. The spider, which is it is story that is in one of the first in Quran, which is ini surat apa, di surat apa?
Ankabut.
Surat surat Al-Ankabut. Okay. So, jadi surah Al-Ankabut is the 29th surah of the Quran. Jadi surat ke-29. Tadi ini kan kalau yang kita menyebutkan first, second, itu kan yang pertama, first, second, kedua, third, ketiga, fourth, keempat, dan ini 29, berarti ke-29. Surah of the Quran with 69 verses. Jadi isinya itu ada 69 ayat. Nah, surat ini merupakan, it is a Meccan surah due to the introduction concerning the persecutions of Muslims. Jadi surah ini surah Makkiyah. Surah Makkiyah ada yang tahu nggak maksudnya, Pak?
Surat yang turun di Mekah.
Yes, benar. Diturunkan ketika Nabi Muhammad ada di Mekah. Yaitu yang mana si surat ini menjelaskan tentang ketika orang-orang Muslim itu mendapat persecution. Ada yang tahu what persecution is? Ada yang tahu nggak persecution itu apa? Maybe Furqan has an idea about persecution. No, not really. Okay. How about Igan? Do you know what persecution is? Okay, let's see. Persecution. Persecution is, jadi ketika umat Muslim itu mendapatkan persecution, surah ini turun. Nah, di surah strengthen the faith of sincere Muslims and admonishes those who were showing weakness in their faith. Jadi surah ini tuh untuk menguatkan iman orang-orang Muslim yang kemudian mereka bisa apa ya, untuk meyakinkan orang Muslim bahwa mereka itu harus kuat banget sama imannya gitu. Dan untuk mencari tahu siapa sih yang sebenarnya imannya itu lemah gitu. The beginning of the surah emphasizes the role of trials and tribulations in revealing those who are truly steadfast and those who are not. Jadi bagian awal suratnya itu di Al-Ankabut itu yaitu menekankan tentang adanya cobaan yang diberikan kepada umat Muslim untuk melihat nih siapa yang imannya itu paling kuat gitu, dan siapa yang lemah gitu. Dan kemudian diceritakan bahwa Noah itu Nabi Nuh. Abraham, ada yang tahu nggak Abraham itu siapa?
Ibrahim.
Yes, benar banget, Ibrahim. Terus Nabi Lut dan Nabi Shu'aib are noted for their perseverance. Jadi yang paling konsisten atau teguh itu adalah beberapa nabi ini. Nah, the surah also addresses those questions which some young men were facing in those days, whose parents were urging them to abandon Islam and return to their ancestral religion. Jadi surah ini juga ngasih tahu bahwa di zaman saat itu juga ada pemuda-pemuda yang mereka itu Muslim, converting into Muslims, tapi parent mereka itu urge itu mendorong mereka untuk meninggalkan Islam nih dan kembali ke agama nenek moyang gitu. Nah, di sini ada verses. Jadi di sini ada salah satu ayat di surat Al-Ankabut. Siapa yang bisa baca ini ya surahnya? Oke, Amirah, good.
Wa wasaina al-insana biwalidayhi husna wa in jahadaka litusyrika bima laysa laka bihi ilmu fala tuti'huma ilayya marji'ukum fa unabbi'ukum bima kuntum ta'malun.
Okay, very good recitation. Amirah, thank you so much for reading this verse of Al-Ankabut. And then jadi di sini Al-Ankabut itu tentang we have commanded people to honor their parents. Jadi kita, maksudnya Tuhan, jadi Allah itu udah menginstruksikan ke manusia atau honor their parents, artinya apa ya kira-kira? Ada yang tahu nggak? Honor itu kayak menghormati orang tua mereka. Tapi but if they urge you to associate with me what you have no knowledge of, then do not obey them. Jadi kalau misalnya parents-nya ini menjauhkan atau associating Allah, mereka atau menyekutukan Allah, mereka nggak harus mengikuti orang tua mereka gitu. To me, you will all return. Jadi bagiku kamu semua bakal kembali. And then I will inform you of what you used to do. Dan kemudian Allah bakal ngasih tahu apa aja yang sudah mereka lakukan di dunia, kayak gitu. Jadi, so this is the surah of Mutaffifin. Okay, we reached the end of our class. Kita alhamdulillah dulu, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Nah, jadi di pertemuan kali ini kita udah membaca beberapa reading, beberapa bacaan, dan kita juga udah meng-exercise or examine the sentence-sentence-nya. Tadi udah belajar tentang pronunciation-nya, terus gimana mengidentifikasi consonant blends with s yang dalam bacaan, kemudian juga gimana pronunciation-nya yang benar gitu. Nah, kita udah belajar itu. Semoga nanti kita bisa bertemu di next meeting. Oke. Yaudah, kita akhiri dengan doa kafaratul majelis.
Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Thank you so much. So we are going to take the last picture before ending the. Maybe kita bisa. Meeting bear smell. Oh, pollution. Oh no, smoke. Okay, maybe this one will be really good karena it will represent what we have learned. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bentar guys. Ini aku lagi ambil the picture. Okay. The next one, ada ide nggak background yang bisa kita pesan apa ya? Maybe anyone have an idea about the background of our picture? Atau ngikut aja? Maybe bear. Okay, let's take a picture with the bear. So there is teddy bear over here, and then the bear over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give your best smile in this picture. Okay, good. Thank you. See you next week. Rencananya, sebelum ending, rencananya mau Furkan, mungkin Igan mau ngapain abis ini? Mungkin mau ke depan kaca untuk melihat apakah potongannya udah oke. Ada. Gimana? Go kemana?
Bandung.
Oh, mau ke Bandung. Oke, selamat menikmati perjalanannya, Igan. Kalau misalnya mau ke Bandung. Terus, Furkan, what you are going to do? Roblox?
Antara main Roblox atau enggak nonton.
Oke, antara main Roblox atau enggak nonton permainan game atau or something.
Nonton Kamen Rider.
Oh, Kamen Rider. Wow, that is a good series. Series ya,
Yes.
bukan movie.
Yeah.
Okay. How about Amira? What you are going to do after this?
Get out.
Oh, masih you have no idea about what you are going to do after this ya? Oke. Yaudah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Sama-sama.